Corporate Misfits, maybe you are looking to plan for your upcoming sales funnel. Whether it's your first or your next funnel, you are looking to find a way to make sure that it's successful, which is most likely considered profitable and also generating leads and getting new customers. Now, in order for you to be able to do that, I have a few things I want to walk you through in order to help you to achieve that goal. So maybe you are looking to generate new leads, you're looking to generate money, maybe you are looking to grow your business and scale it and create consistent income, but whatever it may be, in order for you to properly do that, you need to keep a few things in mind and also make sure that you implement this in place in order to make that happen. So today I'm going to be sharing how you can make sure that you have a profitable sales funnel and walking you through the steps to ensure that you can do that. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits, Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and consultants to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise through online courses, memberships, and coaching programs, and so much more, so that they can do more of what they love, but have the freedom that they have been seeking in whatever that may be. Now, before we dive into today's topic, where we're going to talk about how you can create a profitable sales funnel, I want you to check out the 5 funnels that every coach and consultant need. Now, in these funnels, you will find that we have lead magnet funnels, webinar funnels, and application funnels, and so much more to help you to be able to generate new leads, to generate revenue, and also create evergreen opportunities in your business. You can find that below. Okay, so let's talk all about how you can create a profitable funnel, because there are several steps and things that you need to have in place before you even build this out, so that you can ensure that what you're going to do is going to be a profitable type of funnel. So the first thing I want you to consider is what your product is, and is it a great fit for your audience? Now, before you start to just pick random products and plugging them into your funnel, I want you to ask yourself, does this product that I'm looking to plug into my funnel have an opportunity for transformation? Where is your customer currently at? How are they feeling? How do they feel about their everyday life with this current situation that they are in? And how will your product create transformation? How will it help them to overcome some of the pain points that they're experiencing? How will they be able to bridge the gap in where they are feeling lack of? How can you create transformation in their lives? Whether it's to lose weight, whether it's to build an online business, whether it's being able to get organized, or just whatever it may be, whatever your business is about, how can you create that transformation with the product that you are looking to include in your funnel? One thing I will tell you, and I hope that more people tell you this, because a lot of people say just put something in your funnel. If you are not creating transformation, if your product is really not helping your customers, if you have not taken the time to see if customers are actually seeing results, if they're actually getting to that next level or the next step in that journey, well, then I want you to reevaluate your product. Do not put a bunch of products in your funnel that turn out to be a bunch of crap and don't help your customers to move a step forward. Now, I want you to do that, and I want you to really take time to ensure that what you're putting in front of your customers helps create transformation, because that's how you're going to see success within your funnels. I preach the opposite of what a lot of marketers preach, where they just say put a product in. So I want you to ensure that you have taken time to, one, either get some feedback from some of your current customers about the product, or if you have been selling this product and you know it creates transformation, go ahead and plug it in. But before you do that, just do your due diligence and make sure that it really is helping your customers, because that's where that sleazy sales funnel action starts to take place, when you buy a product through a sales funnel and all of a sudden the product doesn't do what it says. So that's really important that you take some time to do just that. So the second thing to do after you have identified your product and seeing if it's the right fit for your customers and it creates that transformation is to then identify what your traffic source is going to be. Now, one thing I see so many solopreneurs doing, or people who have really small teams and really don't have the opportunities to be able to do some of the marketing that the big companies do, is they try to spread themselves thin by jumping on every single platform. I want you to choose just one traffic source to be able to help you to market your funnel. Now, when you can establish actual success from that particular traffic source, then you can start introducing multiple traffic sources. But until you establish an actual system, have things in place, and you have a strategy and you're actually seeing results, well, then you can start introducing new things. Please don't do what so many people do. They try to introduce all these platforms at once. They want to be on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, podcasts, YouTube. They want to also do webinars and workshops every week, and it just becomes overwhelming. What you'll do is you'll find yourself trying to be on all these platforms and not seeing results because you can't put all of your energy, time, and the things that are needed to ensure that you are seeing success from that platform before jumping on all these other things. All right, the third thing to do to create a profitable sales funnel is to ensure that you have an actual lead magnet that will convert. I want you to take some time and I want you to ask yourself, am I creating a lead magnet that will ultimately lead to my paid product? Does it have some sort of connection? Does it make sense? And does it also help my customer actually move a step forward? If you're creating lead magnets that don't move your customer forward, just like the transformation thing when I was talking about your product, then I want you to reevaluate your actual lead magnet and see how you can improve it. Whether you're making a video, whether you are providing a private podcast episode or audio or a checklist or some sort of guide, I want you to think about how can I create a transformational moment for my customer from this free product? How can I provide value? How can I help them to see that they can make it and move a step forward, eventually buying my product? So think about what your offer is going to be and how you can be able to turn that lead into eventually a customer and have them want to come back for more and be able to bridge the gap and get through what it is that they are currently experiencing. All right, another way to create a profitable funnel is to offer a tripwire. Now, you don't have to offer tripwires. I do see some people don't offer tripwires and they have really successful businesses. So you don't have to offer this. But if you are looking to get started, maybe you're running ads, or maybe you're looking to get started and you don't have a full-on product yet, you can still start generating revenue. One of the ways that you could do that is offering a low-tier product where it doesn't take as long to create, like a signature product or maybe a really premium product. It's something that you are able to get up and going in no time. It can create a really great transformation and help your customers to move a step forward. So I want you to think about what's a low-tier product that you can create in your business that you can offer as a tripwire. It allows you to be able to start generating some revenue and also get an idea of what your customers are wanting, see what their results are from this particular product. It might be a version of your signature course, but ultimately this mini product will help you to start moving your leads to actual customers and being able to offer something in the meantime while you might be waiting to create your signature products or your premium products. Now, I have tripwires in my business, and the really great part about tripwires is that I'm able to utilize them in so many different ways. I utilize this low-tier product in my tripwire, I utilize it in order bumps, I utilize it in just cross-selling in my actual portals, and so much more. So I just want you to think about how can you reuse this particular tripwire or low-tier product in your business and whatnot. All right, another way to ensure that you have a profitable sales funnel is to offer a core product. Now, offering a core product, it can be a signature product, it can be templates, it can be services, it can be whatever your core product is. I want you to think about how can you put this product in front of your customers throughout your funnel. Now, one thing to remember is don't put your core product in front of your audience until you feel like the time is right. Maybe you need to educate your customer a little bit more before you put this core product in front of them. Maybe you need to host a webinar, whether it's live or evergreen, or maybe you want to do an email sequence which eventually leads to this core product. I really want you to think about when would be the best time to offer this core product to your audience and how you can implement this into your sales funnel. Whether you are introducing this a week or 2 weeks later, or maybe you're introducing it immediately after someone joins your webinar, or maybe after they go to your thank you page, they're invited to a webinar or they're invited to an opportunity to join your product. I want you to just think about when would be the best time for you to share this core product with your audience. That's what helps to create successful sales funnels, thinking through the logistics and carefully thinking about what would be right for your actual customers rather than just putting stuff in front of them at random times that don't make sense. Now, the next thing I want you to think about to be able to create a really profitable sales funnel is a way to create a maximizer or an upsell. When you have upsells in your business, whether it's for a tripwire and someone's checking out and there's an upsell opportunity, or it's for your core products, or just a cross-sell that you're going to be offering in your products, it's a great way for you to be able to provide additional value to the people who want it. So upsells allow you to be able to say, hey, I have something else that can help you on your journey. Here's something that a lot of customers would love to be able to help take things to the next level. If you're interested, take a peek and you can move forward with buying it. So this is a great way to provide opportunity for your customer if they want to take that route. Now, upsells are just really great because ultimately I like to think about how can I put the icing on the cake. Yes, my core product has all of the things that can help take them to the next level, but how can I add additional value if my customers want it? How can I just put that icing on the cake? So for example, in my business, we offer Kajabi templates where we have already created these sales funnel templates for you. They're already designed. All you have to do is just plug in your colors and plug in your copy. Now, what we do from there is when someone's going to check out, they then see opportunities to be able to add on different templates that can also assist them along the way, such as portal templates. They're able to get challenge pack templates and so much more. Now, if they want to have those opportunities in their business and they are a good fit for what they're looking for, they can upsell and add those on. However, if they don't need them or they don't feel like they want to have that in their business at this point, well, they can skip it and keep going forward. So I want you to think about what upsells are going to be the icing on the cake, what can help take your customers to the next level and get your business to a place to where you're also being able to generate revenue because you're putting your products that make sense in front of your customers at the right time. Okay, last but not least, one of the ways that you can build a profitable sales funnel is by having a return path. A return path for your customers to be able to come and buy again from you. So what usually happens is people join a course or they join a coaching program or they buy a digital product and then they never hear from that company again. Maybe they go through that onboarding email and that's it. But for me, I like to create opportunities for my customers to be able to buy again. And some of the ways that I'm able to do that is by checking in at the right times. So in our onboarding email sequences, after a specific period of time, we have some opportunities where we have a product that's going to make sense for our customers and we put it in front of them and ask if they would like to buy it at a specific time frame. Maybe we have a discount associated, maybe it's an opportunity that only people who are customers can buy. Whatever the case may be, we just want to create a new opportunity for our customers to be able to rebuy from us if that product's a right fit. Now, we also use something called cross-sales in our portal. So whenever someone joins one of our products in our actual portal, you will see things on our sidebar that allows our customers to take things to the next level if they choose and buy more products from us if it's a right fit for what they're looking for. Again, we like to ensure that we put our products in front of our customers at the right time, but also ensure that we share them with them because we feel like it's our goal and our duty to ensure that our customers are getting the resources that they need to help build a profitable online coaching program, membership, or course. And in order for us to do that, if they don't know about our products or we don't share about them and they just buy that one-off product, well, then they might be searching around, wasting time, trying to find the answers or find the products that can help take them to the next level. So if we have what they're looking for, we have what we know they need, then we like to place it in front of them, whether it's through our products, through cross-sales, or through emails to help them see that there's other opportunities or other things that can help them on their journey. Okay, corporate misfits. So there are some of the things to help you to create a profitable sales funnel in your business. I want you to really think about what those products are. Do they create transformation? What are the lead magnets going to be? What are your traffic sources? What are your upsells going to be? What is your core product? And how can you have a path for your customers to come back and buy more from you? When you think about all of those steps, it helps you to properly map out what your funnel is going to look like and also think about all the assets that are needed created so that you can properly create them and ultimately see success and build a profitable sales funnel. All right, Corporate Misfits, if you are doing any of the things that we talked about today, let me know in the comment section. I want to know, have you identified your traffic source, or what your core products are, or what are some of the lead magnets that you're going to be utilizing in your sales funnel? And also, don't forget to download the 5 funnels that every coach and consultant need in order to really build a business that has leads, that generates revenue, and also creates consistent cash flow so that you can do more of what you love and build that freedom-bound business. All right, Corporate Misfits, I'll see you soon, and have fun identifying how you are going to build a wildly profitable sales funnel. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.